functions of DNA. If you want to know the functions of DNA, what are the functions of DNA? Before that, we should know DNA molecule is unique or it has a unique structure. DNA molecule has a unique structure. DNA molecule में एक unique structure है, उसका खुद का एक unique structure है. We have seen that DNA molecule is double helical. It has, can say, anti-parallel strands and all. So this is what unique structure, and because of its unique structure, it regulates and control. DNA क्या करता है? It regulates and control. दो functions करता है, देखो, regulate भी करता है, control भी करता है. क्या क्या control करता है? So it regulates and controls all the activities of cell. Cell के पूरे activity वो control कर देता है, correct? Regulate भी करता है और control भी करता है. This is the main function of DNA. As a carrier of genetic information, हम लोगों ने देखा ये क्या है? Genetic information का carrier है. We have seen genes are the carrier. We have seen the chromosomes of carrier, and in the chromosome we get genes, and gene क्या होता है? It's a segment of DNA. So DNA is what? As is a carrier of genetic information. DNA is able to control its own synthesis. खुद का synthesis भी control कर देता है, as well as synthesis of other molecules in the cell. Cell के molecule भी control करता है, okay? कर खुद को भी control कर लेता है. दोनों function. Based on this, DNA के जो function है, there are two different type. Heterocatalytic function. देखो क्या नाम है? Heterocatalytic function. Okay? DNA directs the synthesis of chemical molecules other than DNA itself. DNA का जो काम क्या है? It directs the synthesis of other molecules other than what DNA. DNA छोड़ के बाकी सब molecules वो क्या करता है? उसका synthesis direct करता है. Okay? It directs and regulates the synthesis of chemical molecules in the cell other than DNA. क्या क्या हो सकते हैं वो? RNA हो सकते हैं, proteins हो सकते हैं. सब such can say molecules which are synthesized and regulated by DNA. So this is what heterocatalytic. और दूसरा जो function है autocatalytic function. DNA directs the synthesis of DNA itself. So देखो अभी DNA replication इसका एक बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है. DNA खुद replicate हो जाता है. At the same time DNA controls the synthesis of RNA. DNA controls the synthesis of protein. Okay, we'll study that later on. But DNA के दो function है, heterocatalytic function and autocatalytic function. Okay, heterocatalytic means the synthesis of other chemical molecules in the cell, and autocatalytic means synthesis of its own, can say, form. उसका खुद का फॉर्म तैयार करना ये autocatalytic. So there are two functions of DNA, heterocatalytic function and autocatalytic functions. Okay.